Hello and welcome to another Windowparts video. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to change a Winkhaus gearbox. These gearboxes are available in a 35, 45 and a 55mm backset. Common belief is you can't change these gearboxes, but you can if you follow the steps in this video. So first off, place the lock down on a flat surface with the face of the gearbox pointing up. Make sure you put something underneath the gearbox to support it, something around the same size, if not a little bit smaller. On the side there is a screw. It will be a Phillips screw or it will be a Torx screw about the size of a T15. Remove that screw, and once you've done that, turn the gearbox the other way around and you'll see two pins, one in each corner. You need to get a pin punch around the size of 2.5mm, is one I use in this video, and place the pin punch into the pins and hammer the pins out. Be very careful when you do this. Do not lose these pins and try not to damage them, because you will be needing them to fit the new gearbox on. Once they're out, take the old gearbox off, put the new one on. Line up the lug that is on the gearbox. There's a small rectangular lug that needs to line up with a small rectangular slot on the bottom rail of the strip. Line that up, place that on. Once you've done that, take the screw that you took out earlier and place that back in. That will keep the lock all aligned for when you're putting the pins back in. And then turn the gearbox the other way around and place a screw or something round inside the pins to spread them out. Place it in there and hammer it so then the pins spread out and will then stay in the hole when you're putting the gearbox back on. Just once you've done that, place the lock up and test it, make sure it's all working correctly, and then fit it back in the door. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and follow our channel on YouTube for more tutorials and product reveals. Also, if you want any technical drawings or any technical information, please visit our website. Thank you very much.